Alrighty too, so this is a Pioneer AV receiver, as you can see the Pioneer logo, and this is a pretty old one, and this thing doesn't have a Bluetooth device, though this thing has this USB port, but this thing doesn't have the Bluetooth. So I have connected the Bluetooth module in this device that you have seen in the previous video. So this thing is connected to the RCA that is named as satellite cable, like that. So it's set to that, and now I can play the audio from my mobile through this device on 5.1 mode. So all the speakers are going to work and the sound is going to be good too. So this is my mobile here, and you can see 3.0 BT is connected now. Now let's check some songs. So as you heard, all the 5 speakers are working great. Let's turn this subwoofer on and check this out.
Future we